Dear student, I think you are well. I am also fine. At that, at that moment, I hope you stay in your house for COVID-19. COVID-19 is very harmful for every person. So I advise you stay in your home. You do not get out from your house. Uh, you know there are many important days in our country or foreign country, such as Independence Day, Mother's Day, Women's Day, etc. This day, I discuss with you about the same important days. Uh, I discuss with you about the May Day, Unit 3, Lesson 1, May Day. May Day. At first, we know about the word meaning or synonym. Word or synonym, W-O-R-D, word, synonym, synonym, observe, 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 synonym is, observe synonym is, uh, synonym is commemorate or celebrate. Commemorate or celebrate. C-O, commemorate, oblique, celebrate. Commemorate, oblique, celebrate. Struggle, S-T, struggle means L-A-B-O-U-R, labor oblique toil. Labor oblique toil. Arts, U-R-G-E, arts. Inspire, inspire oblique encourage. Another word, wound, W-O-N-D, W-O-U-N-D, wound, injure, injure. Dear students, we knew about the new words or word meaning, English to English. You silently my dialogue about May Day. May Day or International Workers' Day is observed on May 1 all over the world. Today, to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifice of the working people to establish an 8 hour work day. It is a public holiday. It is a public holiday in almost all the countries of the world. Since the industrial revolution in the 18th and 19th century in Europe and the US, the workers in mills and factories had been working a long shift, 14 or even more hours a day. On May 1 in 1886, inspired by the trade union, half of the workers at the McCormick Harvest Company in Chicago went on strike, demanding an 8-hour workday. 2 days later, a worker rally was held near the McCormick Harvest Company, and about 6,000 workers joined it. The rally was addressed by the labor leaders. They urged the workers to stand together, to go on with their struggle, and not to give in to their bosses. At one point of the rally, some strike breakers start leaving the meeting place. The strikers went down to the street to bring them back. Suddenly, about 200 policemen attacked them with clubs and revolvers. One striker was killed instantly. Five or six others were seriously wounded, and many others were injured. The events of May Day 1, 1886 are remembered that workers will continue to be exploited until they stand up and speak out to gain better working condition, better pay, and better lives. Dear student, I think you listened to my lecture. Now, I want to discuss with you about shows the best answer, or about shows the best answer from the alternatives. Shows the correct answer. choose the correct answer from the alternatives. From the alternatives. Number 1. What does the word what does the word commemorate means? Commemorate means. Commemorate mean. Remind, remember, remember, remain, remain, retain, retain. I think you are understand who is the correct answer. The answer is remember. Remember. Another multiple choice question. What was worker? What was worker? What was workers prime? What was workers prime demand? Demand. Number A, better working condition, better working condition, better pay, better pay, better working condition, better pay, 8-hour work day, 8-hour 8-hour work day, 8-hour work day, or early increment. Early in early increment. Early increment. I think you understand the correct answer. The correct answer, yes, your answer is very is correct. It is uh, it is correct answer. 8-hour work day. 8-hour work day. Uh, dear student, now I discuss with you answered the question, answer to the question की answer to the questions number A. Describe the region. Describe the region of demand describe the region of observing Mayday. Observing Mayday. Mayday. Another question number B. How is the Mayday? How is the Mayday observed? How is the Mayday observed? What happened on Mayday? Number C. What happened? What happened on May? What happened on May 1st? On May 1st in 1886. Dear student, again I remember you stay in your home. You do not get out from your house, and you read your book. Again, see you. Thank you. Goodbye.